This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The fuel filter is located on the right-hand side of the engine. Position a container underneath the filter unit and pad the surrounding area with rags to absorb any fuel that may be spilt. At the top of the filter unit, undo the torx bolts around the circumference and remove the upper part, leaving the fuel hoses attached to it. If necessary, use a flat-bladed screwdriver in the slot provided to prise the upper part from the lower part. And remove the O-ring seal from the housing top. Lift the filter element from the housing. Use shop rags to remove any debris or residue from the filter housing and top. Fit the new O-ring seal to the housing top and moisten the O-ring with clean diesel fuel. Fit a new fuel filter into the housing. Fill the filter and housing with clean diesel to aid restarting. Refit the upper part to the lower part of the filter housing, ensuring it's correctly seated. Then refit the bolts and tighten them evenly until they are all secure. Remove the collecting container and rags. Start and run the engine at idle. Then check around the fuel filter for fuel leaks. Raise the engine speed to about 2000 revs per minute several times, then allow the engine to idle again. Ensure that there is still no fuel leakage.